Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's Monday, July 6th.
Alright, so we're going to start at the warehouse and then make our way down to Philly. The first stop is a pickup and a drop off, and the second stop is a pickup. From there, we'll cross the bridge, head into New Jersey, and make a stop in Morristown for a pickup, and then head over to Voorhees for the final pickup. After that, we'll make our way back to the warehouse.
I'll see you guys over at the first stop.
All weekend we had bad weather, thunderstorms, power outages, all of that. Let me know if you guys got hit with the bad weather over here on the Northeast. I was so glad the rain slowed down by the time I got to my first stop. Alright, so with this stop, I have a drop off and I have a pickup. So first I'll do the drop off and then I'll go search for the pickup. Alright, once I got to the designated drop-off area, I checked in the trays and then proceeded to look for the pickup. Alright, so trays are all checked in. So while I look for these trays, you guys do me a favor and hit that like button, that subscribe button for me. We over here building a community and I want you guys to be a part of it. Alright, so now that I found my trays, it's time to double check to make sure there's nothing else. Time to load up and head back to the car. Of course, it started pouring down raining again while I was inside.
Alright, so I'm all done with that stop. About to head to the next one. It's 15 minutes away.
I actually didn't record inside the stop just because I had to wait in the waiting room and it was pretty packed given it was a Monday. So essentially I just grabbed a tray, came back out.
Alright, so I'm all done with my pickups and drop-offs in Philly. About to cross the bridge and head over to Jersey. I'll see you guys at the next stop.
This one was pretty easy. The tote was sitting right where it needed to be.
Alright, so I'm all done with that pickup. Heading to the next one.
When I hear this song, I think about Stranger Things. Let me know in the comments if y'all watched that season finale. How did y'all feel about the ending? So if y'all watch any of my older videos, you'll see that this room right here is a pain in the you-know-what. So today, I'm looking for 2 black bags. Let's see if we can find them. Alright, so I just found one. Let's see if we can find the other one.
I need to organize this room a little better. Here it is.
There it goes. Let me just do a quick verification, then I'm out. Alright, so I just finished with that pickup. That was actually my last one. I'm about to head back up to the warehouse now to drop everything off. Fortunate for me, the traffic heading back up wasn't too bad. Took a little over an hour, maybe like an hour and 20 minutes. Alright, so now that I'm back, just gotta unload, put everything on the shelf, and then take my little proof of delivery photo. Got my photo, time to go. That's gonna wrap up the video right there. I'll put the numbers on the screen for y'all. But until next time, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next ride.